Hi my fellow beauty buffins. Our unique full body collagen booster, your comprehensive solution for anti-aging and full body wellness. What makes it exceptional? Unique selling point number 1, a full body comprehensive collagen support formulated to benefit skin, joints, muscles and overall body health. Number 2, high quality hydrolysed gelatin ensures optimal absorption, bioavailability and effectiveness. Gelatin is pure food for the body and is easily absorbed and assimilated. Number 3, supports active lifestyles. Ideal for individuals seeking to maintain youthful vitality and physical performance, this product is ideal for the more mature individual from 35 plus years of age. Number 4, our full body collagen booster has been shown to have exceptional results with people suffering from hair loss and hair thinning. It is also brilliant for ladies who suffer from menstrual pain and those individuals who bruise easily.